Hello, my name is Anna Kara. I'm a permanent makeup artist here in San Diego. And first I met Maya. She came to get her eyebrows done with me. And I just fell in love with her and decided to try her services. So first I tried Oxygen with Maya with Kiwi Spa. And then I decided to get pregnant. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it. So that's why I went to the doctor and get IVF. And after I start getting some breakouts and inflammation in my skin. That's how it looks like. After my skin broke out, I start getting regular facial in Kiwi Spa. And it was chemical peels with fruit acids, and also it was jet peel and extractions. So I tried a lot of different estheticians. However, Kiwi Spa is the best of the best because I start getting all those results, as you can see right now. So no breakouts, no inflammation, and I'm so happy. I highly recommend Kiwi Spa because first of all, they're super friendly, and they just provide you the best experience ever, which spa can provide. And also you will get the best results. As you can see, it's a proof of my skin. I don't have anything on my skin. So my skin is happy, I'm happy and satisfied with the results. So just book an appointment and you will just be amazed by their services.